Hello everyone. In this video I am going to modulate or I am going to mix RS232 signal with a high frequency signal. This is done in order to send RS232 data to long distances. So as you can see here, this is my first Arduino Uno board. This is the Arduino Uno board, and this Arduino Uno board is constantly transmitting alphabet R to the circuit. So as you can see here, this Arduino Uno board is transmitting alphabet R, and we can see here there is an optical isolator. This optical isolator is isolating the Arduino Uno from other circuit devices. So as you can see, the optical isolator is having a transistor inside, and I am biasing that transistor with a 12 volts DC bus using a 10K resistance. So from this transistor collector, I am tapping a wire and I am feeding it to the 555 timer IC. You can see on the pin number 4, I am feeding the RS232 data. The 555 timer IC is wired in stable multivibrator mode to generate a frequency of 48 kHz. So the serial data is fed to this 555 timer IC on pin number 4. So based on the data, the 555 timer IC will generate a frequency of 48 kHz modulated with the serial data. So the output of the 555 timer IC is at pin number 3. So the data coming to the pin number 3 is fed to a demodulator. So this is my demodulator circuit. You can see the data coming from 555 timer IC pin number 3 is fed to this demodulator. So from the demodulator output, this data, you can see the demodulator is oscillating. You can see the data is coming. You can see the LED is blinking slightly. So the demodulator from the demodulator output, the data is sent to the second Arduino Uno. So this is the second Arduino Uno, and this is receiving the final data. This second Arduino Uno is receiving the demodulated data. So this is how at first we are modulating the signal. We are mixing RS232 data with 48 kHz signal, and then we are demodulating it, and we are getting the final data. However, the demodulation is not so correct, and I am not getting the correct data. I am getting some wrong data. Let us see what data I am getting. So as you can see here, I am getting some other data. I should be getting alphabet R because I was sending alphabet R, but I am getting some other data. You can see here, this data is console log is showing something else. This is not alphabet R. You can see this is the hex values. These are the hex values what I am getting. So this is how we are seeing the transmission is not very correct. It is suspected that the demodulator is not demodulating the signal properly. So we need to concentrate on the demodulator. In the next part of this video, I am going to concentrate on this demodulator so that correct data is received at the demodulator. So for now, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.